Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you an iPhone conversion kit I found online to convert an old iPhone 6 into a 2020 model iPhone SE lookalike. The front of the iPhone 6 looks almost identical to the new iPhone SE, so this kit just changes the body of the phone so that the back is now a glossy black finish like the glass back on the iPhone SE. It also changes the area around the camera to make it look a little bigger like the newer model iPhones. This upgrade doesn't change any of the iPhone's functionality, so you still won't have wireless charging, and the headphone jack is still in place, although some people may see this as a good thing. The camera is also not quite in the same place as on the iPhone SE, as they couldn't move the internal components around. The kit cost around $35 and came with some new adhesive strips for the battery, and replacement black buttons and a SIM card tray. The back of the cover was taped over so that the logo and name were not visible when it's in the bubble wrap. You can see the new iPhone body is quite a bit different to the body on the iPhone 6. It didn't come with any instructions, so it should be interesting putting it together. Let's see how it goes. This iPhone's battery has already been replaced at some stage, so it didn't have removable adhesive strips, making the removal of the battery a bit more difficult. You'll need to make sure that you keep track of the screws as you remove them, as there are a lot of different sizes and lengths, even on the same components and cover plates. You'll also need to be careful not to damage any of the ribbon cables which are stuck onto the body of the iPhone when you're removing them. Use a plastic spudger to gently lift the ribbon cables off, rather than pulling on them. You also need to move the screen clips down the side of the iPhone body over to the new body. I found one annoying thing once I'd removed all of the components, which would be quite easy to miss. The new buttons didn't have this little metal contact installed on them. Without this contact, the buttons don't make enough contact with the micro switch underneath them, so you have to remove them from the old buttons and put them onto the new buttons. I used a drop of super glue on each to hold them in place. I took a gamble in closing up the phone and replacing all of the screws before trying to turn it back on, but fortunately I didn't have any trouble with it. I now have an iPhone 6 which looks like a 2020 model iPhone SE, and it only cost $35 to do so. Let me know in the comments section if this is something you'd try out on your iPhone 6. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more tech and electronics projects, tutorials and reviews.